I can show you the other process of the smudge technique that you use. Now you use the kneaded eraser to define form and highlights. But before I do that, sometimes I take a Q-tip or another tissue paper and kind of smudge it in. Okay, so I take my kneaded eraser, okay, and I kind of like, dab. You can bend it to mold it to get to your particular size you want. It's very like putty. And then you lift back out and you look at your reference and you kind of put in the highlights, bring it back to light to dark. And then once you I use the gloves because it's kind of messy with this thing. And then this, see how it brings the light out? It's like the smudge shine. You're kind of like from the reference photo, or how much I want to do is to make the form of Stacy by taking out and you just do this all throughout. I also do a dabbing technique. It's with like texture in the forehead. And of course I go back over it in the darkness. And that's coming to an end of me showing you, me drawing us a little bit of Stacy. And I'm going to finish up this particular portrait. And when I come back, I shall have the final result. Okay, I hope you enjoyed me showing you drawing my sister Stacy. And I just have a finishing, more touches to do in terms of highlight in the eyes for my other siblings with the Jelly Roll pen, and then I shall sign my name to my graphite pencil portrait dedicated to my siblings. And till next time. Hello, my name is Michelle Gilmore. I'm with MG Draw Your Portrait from a Photo. Okay, I have completed my graphite pencil portrait of my siblings, including myself. This particular portrait will be on my website, and you can get prints if you like. In order to fit everyone on the particular portrait, as you can see before you, we're not all the same size. I really like my portraits to be big, but in order to get everyone on the particular portrait, we're not all the same size. So take that into consideration, but I'm happy with the way I position everybody, and I hope you like it too. So tune again to Michelle Gilmore's MG Draw Your Portrait from a Photo. Thank you.